Hello everyone, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail out of the hair and then comb the hair into place. Now add a rubber band to the middle section of the hair as such. Once you have done this, take the hair at the bottom and then afterwards tie another rubber band to it. Roll it up into a bun as such. Now once you reach the top portion, you may use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Ours has the rose for aesthetic appeal. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Then at the base, tie a low ponytail. Divide the hair into two sections as such. Then taking the left side section, pull it through the top left side. Join this section of the hair in with the rest of it and then take the rest of the hair and then pull it through the top once more. Once you are done with this, join all of the hair together, tighten it and then you may start to braid the hair. Braid the hair and then roll it up. If you do not want to braid it, however, you may tie a rubber band at the base of it. Once you are done with this, add another rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself and then lift it up, insert it into place as a section of this hair. Next, we will start off by tying a low ponytail out of the hair. Divide this low ponytail into two parts, twisted one on top of the other. Now take the hair and wrap it around in the shape of a bun. Afterwards, tie a rubber band at the base of the hair as such. Once you have done this, insert the rest of the hair into place. Adjust it as need be, then use a decorative clip at the top of it. Take the top section of the hair, then take a section from the left side, comb it into place and then insert it through the top of the hair as such. Once you are done with this, take a section from the right side as well and then pull it through the top as such, that is the top center. Once you are done with this, join all of the hair together and then divide the hair into three parts. Begin to braid the hair. Once you have braided the hair, add a rubber band at the base section of it, roll the hair over and then cover it up using the rest of the hair so that it stays in its place. You may use a bobby pin in order to do so. Wrap it up carefully, then use decorative pins at the top of it. Take a section from the left side of the hair, divide it into two parts and then begin to twist one section over the other. As you progress with this, include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Now continue to do so until you reach the other side. After this, keep doing this until you reach the other side and then once you reach the extreme right side, you may start to braid the hair. Now once you have done this, you may braid the hair and then wrap it up. Before you do so, however, tie a rubber band to the hair as such. Now once you tie a rubber band at the base of the hair, lift it up, roll it up before you do so and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Once you are done fastening the bobby pin into place, you may use decorative pins in the middle section. We have chosen to add flowers of different colors. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself as such, leaving a small loop at the top. Divide the hair into two parts and then twist one section over the other as such. Add a rubber band at the bottom section of this and then roll it up into a bun. After this, use decorative pins in order to fasten it in its place. We have used a bobby pin in order to do so and then we have wrapped it up into a bun. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and now join all of the sections, tie a low ponytail to the hair. Divide this hair into two parts and then taking one of the sections, put it through the opposite end top section. Join the hair at the base of the scalp as such, tie a rubber band to it at the base. Once you are done with this, take a comb and comb it into place, add a rubber band to the bottom, roll the hair in on itself and wrap it up into a bun as such. Insert the excess amount of hair into place and then use decorative pins. Thank you for watching.